Hi. If you're having trouble with GeForce Experience not working and Shadowplay not working and your recordings are not getting recorded at all, we are now in the GeForce Experience. I just clicked on the button to open the in-game overlay. And now in the in-game overlay, we want to go to the Settings tab and we want to go down to Privacy Control. Make sure to turn this on because it will enable desktop capture. Like it says, it lets you capture the entire desktop while using instant replay, record, or broadcast live. Some of your applications might not be recorded because they are windowed or on your desktop, and it just doesn't record desktop if you don't have that setting turned on. Next, if you can't even open the in-game overlay, that is a problem because in order for Shadowplay to work, the in-game overlay has to be enabled. You go to your settings, and right here it has in-game overlay. So make sure that this is enabled. If it's not working still when enabled, try turning it off and turning it on a couple of times because it resets the whole in-game overlay GUI. Now, if that is not working, your Shadowplay might be stuck. So you need to go into your task manager, right click on your taskbar like I did, task manager, and here we have Nvidia GeForce Experience. We need to end task on the GeForce Experience and search for if there are any GeForce Experience tasks open in the task manager. Next, you want to go again and turn it on. Trying the restart of the GeForce Experience sometimes fixes the problem. Now, the next step is pretty obvious, but you might not have checked. You need to have free space on your drives. Whether you are recording on your D drive or your C drive or any external drive, make sure that you have space on your drives for the recording. If you don't have space, the recording has nowhere to save, so you won't be able to record. The last step is updating your drivers. Sometimes if you don't have newer drivers, or at least some recent drivers, the GeForce Shadowplay or the overlay won't even work. So just click on, for example, I have some new drivers to install. You can click on Express Installation and you'll be good to go. The last thing to do is restart your PC. That always sometimes helps. Always sometimes. Well, yeah, sometimes and always at the same time. Good luck. I hope that helps, and happy recording.